Hello, this is Lauren Jameson, and this is GoReact Quiz number 8. So in this problem, we had a 24-pound weight attached to a spring, stretches the spring 4 inches. Find the equation of motion if the weight is released from 0.3 inches above equilibrium. So in order to solve this problem, first I found what the K constant was equal to by using the equation F spring equals negative Ks plus mg is equal to 0. So basically you just plug in those values. And S is 1/3 of a foot because it's 0.4 inches that it initially stretches the spring. And the mass is equal to 24/32 because it's equal to pounds over gravity, which is 32 feet per second per second. And so that is equal to 3/4 of a slug. And so yeah, you fill in that equation and you find k to equal 9/4. And then also on this side of the screen, I've written down what x of 0 is equal to and x prime of 0 is equal to, so that I can use those to find the constants later on. So with that, you're able to set up the equation 3/4x double prime plus 9/4x is equal to 0. I just multiplied through with the 4 so that I could get x to and so that means that 3x double prime is plus 9x is equal to 0, so that's 3m squared plus 9. So in my head I just did I divided by 3, so m squared plus 3, and then you subtract 3, and then you get m is equal to plus or minus 3i. And then you can make your x of t equation. X of t is equal to c1 cosine 3t plus c2 sine 3t. And then in order to find the constants, you can use negative 1/4 and 0 to find the first one, and then find x prime of t to find the second one. And you get that c1 is equal to negative 1/4 and c2 is equal to 0. So ultimately, the equation ends up being x of t is equal to negative 1/4 cosine 3t. The second problem was another spring problem, but this time it gave you a right-hand side. So 2x plus 32x equals 68e to negative 2t cosine 4t. I just divided everything by 2 to get m squared plus 16 is equal to 32e to negative t cosine 4t. So m is equal to plus or minus 4i. So that means x of c is equal to c1 cosine 4t plus c2 sine 4t. In order to find the left hand, or xp, I used the Wrongian and the annihilation method. So the Wrongian here was 1, and then w1 is equal to negative 32e to the negative 2t cosine 4t sine 4t, and then w2 is equal to 32e to the negative 2t cosine squared 4t. And then I knew that xp is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, and because w is equal to 1, your u values are just w2, so, or your u prime values are w1 and w2, so you just take the integral of both sides, and it's a really weird, wonky integral. And then xp is equal to u1y, so you just substitute that in. And then x of t is just equal to x of p plus x of c. So it's this quantity plus this. Oh, yeah, this quantity. Thank you.